Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Today we are going to learn 3 forms of verb for beginners. Go, went, gone. Think, thought, thought. Hear, heard, heard. Listen, listened, listened. Jump, jumped, jumped. Write, wrote, written. Win, won, won. Kick, kicked, kicked. Sleep, slept, slept. Bath, bathed, bathed. Dance, danced, danced. Laugh, laughed, laughed. Sit, sat, sat. Stand, stood, stood. Weep, wept, wept. Smell, smelled or smelt, smelled or smelt. Hug, hugged, hugged. Shake, shook, shaken. Clap, clapped, clapped. Give, gave, given. Fly, flew, flown. Fall, fell, fallen. Drive, drove, driven. Catch, caught, caught. Call, called, called. Break, broke, broken. Run, ran, run. Work, worked, worked. Sing, sang, sung. Drink, drank, drunk. Eat, ate, eaten. Sow, sowed, sown. Slip, slipped, slipped. Sweep, swept, swept. Ring, rang, rung. Blow, blew, blown. Tear, tore, torn. Hang, hung, hung. Lick, licked, licked. Bite, bit, bitten. Subscribe the channel for more videos.